Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix fail to load Onlinefix64.dll Error Code 126. So if you're encountering the fail to load Onlinefix64.dll error message, don't worry. So this issue is common and it can be fixed using simple troubleshooting steps. So what caused this error? So the error occurs due to corrupt or missing Onlinefix64.dll file, or maybe outdated or missing system drivers, incorrect installation of software or game, or there are conflicts with antivirus or security programs, or maybe there are corrupted system files or Windows errors. So to fix it, you can run the program as administrator. So you can just right click on the applications or game giving the error. So let's say the error is on this Roblox Studio. You can just right click on it, and then you can just here choose to run as administrator, and then tap on yes. And if this works, set it permanently by right click on the app and then go to properties. Here choose compatibility and check the run this program as administrator, this one, and tap on apply. Second method, you can reinstall the program or game. So uninstall the program showing the error first, and then find the app again and download and reinstall the latest version from the official site. And the next method, you can restore missing Onlinefix64.dll file. So you can just download the DLL file from a trusted source like dll/stripfiles.com and copy the downloaded file and paste it into the Windows/System34/432-bit systems on your C panel or C file. And after that, you can also update the graphic drivers. So if it depends on the drivers that you are using. So for NVIDIA user, you can open the GeForce Experience, click driver, and check for updates. But if you're using AMD, you can open the AMD Radeon software, go to updates, and check for updates. So here I'm using Intel. So you can just open the Intel driver and support assistant and scan and update your drivers. So in conclusion, by following the steps, you should be able to fix the error quickly. And if none of the method works, you can consider reinstalling the Windows or performing a system restore. So that's pretty much all. I hope this works for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.